Perceiving Krishna as the formless and all-pervading Brahmana is the way to worship him, and not by pouring liters of animal milk on his vigrahas or spending entire days regurgitating shlokas from the Srimad Bhagavad Gita without understanding any of them, or merely singing songs in praise of him without having the slightest knowledge of his universal nature. Avyaktam vyaktimavannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavam ajananto mamavyayam 724. Krishna declares, foolish people who do not know my formless, exalted, imperishable, and supreme nature think I assume a manifest human form. Take to studying Vedanta, change your life, and give meaning to your life. Life is an